Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to check the given character is symbol or not. As we know, suppose if you want to check the given number is uppercase alphabet because it is in between capital A to capital Z. Lowercase alphabet is in between small a to small z. Alphabet means what? Either uppercase or lowercase. Either uppercase or lowercase, both we consider as an alphabet. Digit means what? Digit. Here it is a character should be in between 0 to 9. Alphanumeric means what? Either alphabet or digit. See, we know the ranges for uppercase alphabet is A to Z. Lowercase alphabet is small a to z, digit is a 0 to 9, but symbols range we don't know. Remaining all are, we can call it as symbols. So just before you have to use logical not operator. If it is not uppercase, not lowercase, not digit, right? We simply call it as a symbol. So now we are writing. Any character you can take, any character. I'm just giving the question mark. In that place, anything you can write. Now condition, if first uppercase, capital A to capital Z, capital A to capital Z, or lowercase, small a to small z, or digit, 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So this is what for checking that character is alphanumeric or not. Reverse. So before not operator we are placing not. If it is not uppercase, not lowercase, not digit, we can directly say that it's a symbol, else not a symbol. This is the simple way of writing the condition to check the given character is symbol or not. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.